Hello fellow traders, welcome to FX View again. So today's video is going to be about the WeBull. WeBull is a US-based Finnish startup offering zero fee or discount brokerage services. The broker was founded in 2017 and it is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission and Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. WeBull is considered safe because it is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and provide a maximum of $500,000 investors protection, including $215,000 limit for cash as part of the SIPC protection scheme. WeBull offers commission-free US stock, ETF, and options trading without inactivity fees. The account opening is seamless, fully digital, and really fast. The platform are well structured, user-friendly, and offer many order types. WeBull's product portfolio is limited, covering only US stocks, ETFs, and options. You can use only bank transfer for deposit or withdrawal, so there is no credit card or debit card or electronic wallets. Uh, the telephone support is hard to reach out to, and the live chat is missing. So generally, the pros are there is free stocks, ETF, and options, fast and easy account opening, great trading platforms. And the cons, there is limited product portfolio, no credit, debit card, and electronic wallet for money transfer, and there is no live chat, and there is poor telephone support. WeBull trading fees are low, the fee structure is transparent and easy to understand. Also, they offers free stock and ETF trading. It has the same no commission structure as Fidelity and Robinhood. Also, the required WeBull minimum deposit is $0 for a cash account, but can be more if you trade on margin. Prefer short positions or unlimited day trading. Account types, there is WeBull offers only individual cash and margin accounts, joints, ERAs, custodian and corporate accounts are not available. And this is the WeBull trading platform, the web version. It's suitable for both beginners and advanced traders as it's easy to use but offers also advanced features like customizability or a wide variety of order types. On the negative side, a two-step login is missing. This platform is well designed and has a clear structure. It is easy to navigate with the tools on the two sides, while the middle of the screen works like a traditional desktop platform. So you can customize whatever you want in this web platform. WeBull offers a wide variety of order types, markets, limit, stop, and stop limit. Bucket orders, take profits. There are also other useful tools on WeBull that we felt are worth a mention for traders. For example, the social news feed tool on the mobile platform allows users to post updates and share their trading tips. At the rewind button plays a flashback of real-time share price movement over the past 13 days, and the contest that WeBull regularly hosts offer stock prices or other incentives. WeBull's mobile trading platform is available for both iOS and Android. Uh, I tried to test it on iOS. It's smooth, and you can choose between English and the Chinese language. The WeBull mobile trading platform is user-friendly and has a clear structure and well designed also. Provides a two-step login besides one-step login. You can activate this feature in the menu setting, and account security menu. After the activation, you will get the security codes and text messages for each login. The search function are great. You can search by typing both the ticker and the name of the asset. Bottom line, guys, WeBull's fees are great. You can trade and with commission-free US stock, ETF, and options. The account opening is easy, fully digital and fast. The platforms are easy to use and well structured. WeBull has some drawbacks though. The product portfolio is really limited, covering only US stock, ETFs, and options. You can use only bank transfer for deposit or withdrawal, and wire transfer is charged for both directions. The telephone and email customer support are hard to reach out to, as the account opening is seamless, and WeBull offers commissions-free stock and ETF trades. Feel free to try it. We're coming to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think of this broker in the comment section.